In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment to a project in Todoist. Adding comments is a simple but powerful way to keep all your ideas, notes, and conversations right next to the work they belong to. Instead of hunting through emails or chats, you can drop important details directly into your project, so your future self and your teammates always know what's going on. First, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account and that you've opened the project where you want to leave a comment. You should be looking at the main project view, where you normally see all of your tasks listed. Now, turn your attention to the upper right area of the project window. There, you'll see a small comment icon. Depending on your version or theme, it usually looks like a speech bubble or a chat symbol. This is the project comments button. Go ahead and click on that icon. When you do, Todoist will open a panel or section that shows all existing comments for this project, as well as a text box where you can add a new one. With the comments panel open, click inside the text field where you can type your comment. This is where you will write whatever you want to share about the project. You might add a quick status update, a reminder for your teammates, a link to a relevant document, or a note to your future self explaining why you made a certain decision. As you type, try to be clear and specific so that anyone reading your comment later immediately understands the context. For example, instead of writing something vague like done, you might say completed the initial draft, waiting for feedback before finalizing. You can also break longer thoughts into short, readable sentences to make it easier to scan. Once you're happy with what you've written, you're ready to post it. Look for the comment button, usually located just below or beside the text box. This might appear as a button labeled comment or as an icon, but it will be clearly connected to the text field you just used. Click on that comment button to save and publish your message to the project. After you click, your new comment will appear in the project's comment thread, where you and your collaborators can refer back to it anytime. That's all there is to it. Click the comment icon, type your comment, and then click comment to add it to your Todoist project.